Hey everyone, this is Corey with BimmerTech, and today I'm going to demo to you some of the features of our 6WB digital cluster upgrade that we offer. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get started and show you what the display looks like. So as you can see right now, the display is off. I'm going to go ahead and start the car. This is in a 2011 535 F10. And as you can see, we have a nice little startup animation when you start the car. So here we can change through the different modes. The default mode is called Comfort. There's also Eco, which is not available in this car, but is available with the upgrade. We also have Sport and Sport Plus as well. What's also really cool is that you have the ability to flip through your songs and your stations on your radio. So here I can just pick a station. Now I can also change to my USB audio. What's also an amazing feature about this upgrade is that I'm able to set a destination in my navigation.
Follow the road.
And as we can see, it appears right on the digital display. And even if I change through the different settings, we can see that it still remains on the screen. What's also amazing about this display is just how beautiful it is. As we can see, when I rev the engine, the dials kind of animate a bit. There's some motion involved. If I change to sport mode, you can see the entire display changes on the vehicle. And again, in all of these different modes, I'm able to still scroll through my radio stations, scroll through my music. My navigation will remain displayed in the center. Another thing I want to point out is that any feature that would be available to you on an analog display will be available in this digital display. So if you look at the bottom middle of the screen, you can see that we have all of this information available to us on the digital display. What's another great feature about this upgrade is that I can actually view my phone call on the dashboard after I make it. This allows me to end the call right here from the screen. So as you can see, these are just some of the features available to you with the digital cluster upgrade from BimmerTech. If you want to learn more information about the 6WB digital cluster upgrade, go ahead and follow the link in the description to our website, where you can also ask any questions you might have. If you decide to make your purchase, we also have an install video up on our YouTube page right now. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you found this video informative and helpful.